As I said a couple of movies in the past, my borgata junket is canceled. Canceled because they changed the airport to fly out of. St. Pete, I don't want to drive to St. Pete 5 hours to get there. Cancel that junket. But I'd replace it. I'm going back to uh, Biloxi. Okay? I like Biloxi, but Biloxi is where I got sick. So I'm thinking about how to avoid getting sick again on a Biloxi trip. Well, one, I'm not going to get any more buffets. I'll get a breakfast buffet. I like that. But the other buffets, I'm staying away from. I'm just eating uh, fast food kind of things. Because I think on that last trip, I got food poisoning. And I think I got it at the Treasure Bay uh, Buffet Casino. There was a piece of sliced roast beef I picked up. It just didn't look right. It tasted okay, but it wasn't. It was very chewy. Yet I ate it. That I think was a mistake. I think I got the food poisoning from that piece of sliced beef, and I went online to find out that sliced meats are very prone to food poisoning. So, anyways, I want to see how I handle it this time. This time, all my hotels I have where I can cancel them a couple days before I take off. So if I get sick again, at least I can cancel these hotels. That's my new deal now. I want hotels that I can cancel.